So if you want to fix video sound not playing in iOS 18, then this video is for you. First, make sure that your device's speaker is perfect, is good, working good. So if there's no issue with this hardware of your speaker, then you can just follow these steps, and if there is a hardware based issue, then you can go to your technician to fix this problem. So first, you just need to make sure that your volume button is full, like this. You can just tap on the volume button here, and you can just tap on it, and you can scroll up to increase the volume level, or you can just decrease it. So make sure that you have enough volume to get the sound of the video. Now the another option is from the control center. If you have turned on the silent mode, you just need to tap on the bell icon again to turn it off. Now in focus mode, if you have turned on sleep or any type of focus mode that are programmed for not playing music, not playing sounds on iPhone, so you can just turn it off if it's on your focus mode here. After that, there's another way to fix this. You just need to go to settings and make sure there is no update available here. If there's any update available, then you can just update it. For example, go to software general settings and go to software update. From here, it is now checking for updates. If there's any update available, you just need to tap on update now, and it will update your software. So then you can just check for the issue is fixed or not. If this issue persists, then you have to make a quick restart on your phone. You can just hold on your power button and the volume down button together, and you will get this power off menu. You just need to slide to power off. You just need to slide it to power off, switch off your device, and you just need to power it on back again, and it will get a quick restart. So then you can just try again to play a video. If you get the sounds, then hopefully that issue has solved. If there's no sound yet, then you can go to your technician. Then you can just check up your phone and see if there is any problem with your hardware on this device. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave it a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.